In this video, we'll show you how to use the window processor in Qlik Cloud Data Flow to calculate running totals and other aggregations across your data. Let's start by uploading our dataset into Qlik Cloud. Next, let's create a new data flow to transform this data. In the editor, add the uploaded table as the source for the data flow. The sheet contains a simple sales table with 3 fields: salesperson, week, and sales. Our goal is to calculate a running total of sales per salesperson, so we can see cumulative sales week by week. To do this, we'll add the window processor to the flow and connect it to the input table. In the Properties panel, let's configure the processor. The window processor supports different operations. In this case, we select Sum, since we want to calculate the total sales over time. In field, select Sales. This is the field we want to aggregate. Give the new field a name. Under Partition by Fields, select Salesperson. Partitioning tells Qlik to group the data and calculate the window function separately for each group, in this case each salesperson. Without partitioning, the running total will be calculated across the entire dataset. Next, we'll define the range for the window calculation. The start range and end range determine which rows are included in each calculation. Set start range to unlimited and set end range to current row, which ensures the total includes the current record but nothing after it. Perfect for cumulative results. Now, under Sort By, select Week and set Sort Order to Ascending. Sorting defines the order in which the window function moves through the data. For running totals, ascending order ensures weeks are processed in the correct sequence. A new column called Running Total has been created. It shows the cumulative sales per salesperson up to each week. A running total adds the values of all previous rows to the current one. Each new week increases the total, showing how sales accumulate over time. Partitioning resets the total for each salesperson, giving separate progress line for each. Finally, let's add a target to export the result. Select the space, name your file, and choose QVD as the file format. When everything is ready, click Run Flow to execute the data flow and export the result. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.